The 2025 upgraded pressure washer offers an impressive 5,000 pounds per square inch of maximum pressure, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks on various surfaces. Equipped with a state-of-the-art touchscreen interface, this pressure washer allows for easy adjustment across 8 pressure levels, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. Its enhanced design includes a waterproof touchscreen and a wider base to prevent tipping, along with padded handles for comfortable use. The total stop system ensures safety by automatically shutting off the device when not in operation, while the high-pressure hose is designed with an inner layer for added protection. Convenience is further enhanced with a wheeled trolley for easy movement, along with dedicated storage for the spray gun, cables, nozzles, and hose. This pressure washer is an excellent choice for home cleaning, whether you are washing cars, fences, driveways, or any outdoor surfaces, thanks to its powerful and versatile features.